Hello, friend. Welcome back. Hi. In this section, we'll be discuss about how to delete our uh, edit.blade.php index.php delete our category. So here we already create a JavaScript void function. Now we make some form. It's a delete method. Okay, method will be post id really this function is one time will be created and otherwise will not. Just copy and paste here, display none. mm, @csrf and method will be delete. Come on. And here this will be the ajax request, so that's why I suggest push scripts. And we need some Ajax code. So there, go to the script dollar document dot on click and it will be delete category and function will be e so event dot prevent dot default actually e dot prevent default. Okay, late category id equals to dollar and this dot data and id, and which data id is this id will be here. Okay, data id. So now let url delete url will be route admin dot category dot delete, sorry, not delete, yes, will be destroy id. well well dot replace id category id. And when the delete URL is perfectly done, it will be what the error is say. Oh, okay, check it. Maybe is it issue or not, route ID not found. So why? Route ID not found, destroy. Okay, check it what the issue or not. So then delayed. So what will be done now? So go to master.blade.php, not a master.blade.php. It will be our script. First of all, need a Oh no, it's not here, but create.billet.php is a master.plus. Here is the index. So okay, I just show you. We just make a copy some file. It's not the issue. It's not. I will show you what code will be. Just solve.fire. Are you just give me alert? Actually, are you sure or not? And after then completed result at confirm this delete form attribute and delete URL dot submit. Okay, the submit URL pass. Why is the delete form? Is the delete form is a here the delete form. Okay. So now better we just skip .php index master not needed breadcrumb not needed as web.blade.php and already route is created because this is our category controller and now the categories controller we just manage a destroy function. Okay. Now this is our destroy function. So first of all, we check the category. Is this ID passing? Is it work or not? So better. This is our category model and find uh, our fail. Find our fail. Our dollar ID. Find our fail. Okay. So because of that, we have a image. If has image. If your category tends to image, what happened? Category image, and now the image path will be removed. Image path be public path. Just unlink for the image. Okay. Parse URL dollar category tends to image PHP URL path. Sorry. Just URL underscore. Look at that PHP URL path. Okay, PHP URL path, image path, public. Yeah. Oh, what the issue here? Hmm. Can I make any mistake here? I just check it. How we gonna make a mistake? So here I just erase that and just paste it. This is so once again it shows the error. So don't worry, I just manage it. So let's see what's happened. If file underscore exist, if file exist, dollar image path, then unlink, unlink dollar image path. So what the issue? Unexpected token. What is the unexpected token? Finder category finder for failed if category image path everything will be fine, but given the error, I don't know what is happened for here. So check it. Category tends to delete here, delete. Okay. Yes. Now return redirect back back with SEO double C success category deleted successfully. Now this was the syntax issue, and now the syntax issue will be gone. We just public path here. This is not including here for the bracket error. So that's why this is our delete function. Category just find or fail ID, and when the category image, if you get any category image, then unlink on the folder. I will here is our public. Look, I will show you here. This is a controller. Look at the public and admin, also not admin here, upload, sorry, upload, and look at the category is currently 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 images. So there I will be show all data will be deleted, and look at the currently image will be the 5, and it will be the reduce. Okay, so check it, go to the browser. Now go to our editor and just keep reload and try and keep try. Yes, this is a sweet alert is come, and look at the deleted, and yes, data will be deleted successfully. And go to our view code editor. Here currently look at that, currently has the 4 photos. Because of that, one is be reduced and one in one data is deleted, and here one file is reduced. Okay, so the perfectly unlink of your of our data, it's sorry. So that's it. Our delete function is willing to work now. Here, the small task. We are just taking the style. Style will be margin left will be 5 pixels, and is very close on each other, so it will be reduced. Okay, thank you so much, and let's see for the next video.